Hey, today I'm going to talk about my top 10 book recommendations that you should refer to improve your FP&A skills. So, if you are new to FP&A, learning about this function, roles, and responsibilities can be a little overwhelming. And I understand that having access to the right resources like books, mentors, and online courses can be a game changer for your finance career. Now, there are hundreds of books there to choose from, and it can get really overwhelming to decide which ones to pick. Also, I don't want you to spend hours and hours of reading a book which may not be actually be useful in your career. So don't worry, I have got you covered. Hi, my name is Asif Masani and I am the founder of FP&A Professionals and author of the Amazon best-selling book All About FP&A. I have helped hundreds of finance professionals master FP&A skills via my books and online courses. And my mission is to help 1 million finance professionals become better at FP&A. So, by the end of this video, we will go over my top 10 FP&A book recommendations. So, whether you're preparing for your next FP&A interview or are just starting in FP&A, these books can become some of your best friends. So let's dive right in. The first book on the list is Financial Planning Analysis and Performance Management. This book is one of the classics and explores strategies to enhance performance and drive better decision making within the organization. The second one on the list is Budgeting Basics and Beyond. This book provides a foundational understanding of budgeting, covering both theory and practical examples. You can learn techniques and approaches to create effective budgets for various business functions and situations. The third book on the list is Financial Forecasting, Analysis and Modeling. This book covers various forecasting techniques from time series analysis to regression models. This book stands out for its practical approach, providing real world examples and case studies that illustrate the application of these techniques. The fourth book on my list is Future Ready: How to Master Forecasting. This book focuses on forecasting, which is like making educated guesses about the company's future business performance. The cool thing about this book is that it doesn't just stop at explaining forecasting techniques, it also talks about challenges that people face when trying to predict the future in business. Plus, it provides some real world examples, case studies, and stories to show how these methods have worked for different companies. The key message of this book is that FP&A isn't just about forecasting numbers, it is about being prepared for what's coming next, making smarter decisions, and staying ahead in the ever changing business world. The fifth book on my list is Painting with Numbers. This book aims to make management reporting more understandable and interesting for everyone, even for those who may not have a finance background. The next book on my list is Effective Data Storytelling. This book breaks down the process of data storytelling into practical steps. It talks about how to create structured data narratives, choosing the right visualizations, and crafting a story that resonates with your audience. The next book on my list is Storytelling with Data. This book focuses on the art of effectively communicating insights from data through storytelling. It provides practical advice on how to choose the right visualizations, structure a story around data, and highlight the most critical insights. The eighth book on my list is Creating Value as a Finance Business Partner. This book explores the evolution of the finance function and the role of finance professionals in becoming strategic business partners. It emphasizes the need for finance professionals to revisit their traditional roles as number crunchers and actively contribute to driving the business's strategic decisions. The next book on the list is The Audacious Finance Partner. Again, this book emphasizes the need for finance teams to actively engage with other departments, understand the business landscape, and contribute strategically to the organizational objectives. The last book on my list is all about FP&A. If you're just starting out in FP&A and need a book that covers various aspects of FP&A comprehensively, like budgeting, forecasting, and management reporting, then you must check out my book all about FP&A. So those were my top 10 FP&A book recommendations. If you found this video to be helpful, do give it a thumbs up and check out the links to the books in the description below, and hit the subscribe button for more content on FP&A. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.